bhakti means ladani and samvit. Ladani means joy, ahlad, joy, happiness, santosh, toshan. So if real bhakti is in the heart, the bhakti will emanate happiness in the heart, satisfaction in the heart. And then the other aspect of bhakti is samvit. Samvit means Vasudeva Sri Krishna. Krishna will take over your being if you really have bhakti. So then you become gradually a lover of God, a 5% lover of God, a 10% lover of God. Bhakti is all about developing the proper loving attitude, loving mentality, and loving heart. Then the chanting is, everything is Kevala Ananda Kanda, Parama Karuna, Pahundui Jana, Nitai Gora Chandra. Pahundui Jana, this is Kevala Ananda Kand. Ananda Kand. We say, Aj ke Ananda ki. Ananda Kand. Oh, my rounds, you know. Oh, the Bhagavatam. Oh, that devotee. We are mandasya manda matayo, manda abhagi upadruta. Upadruta. Abhagya. First canto Bhagavatam.